Struggle is a privilege. I know that sounds weird because whenever we hear about struggling, the first thought came in our mind is why me? Think about it कि अगर आप एक ही जिंदगी जी रहे हो एंड उसमें आप बहुत ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल हो चुके हो, someone doing 9 to 5 and that person convince themselves अभी बस यही जिंदगी है and I'm sorted and that person is so comfortable in that life, even that person don't like, but that person don't want to get that uncomfortable, and that person convince themselves that this is what life is. Now compare to that someone who is trying to build a business or who is trying to become an artist, who is trying to create something on their own. That person struggles every single day. Every morning they wake up with uncertainty. Some days nothing works, some days nobody is watching, some days nobody believes in them. In all those moments they will probably think कि भाई मैं इतना struggle क्यों करूँ? Why not to live a simple life? About it कि आप एक मछली को एक छोटे से पोट में रख रहे हो and that fish is so happy. It's because that pot is the only thing that fish knows. But उसको क्या पता कि उसके लिए पूरा समंदर है. But because that fish is so comfortable and that fish don't want to leave that pot, she would never experience that happiness. She would never experience that abundance. So that's exactly what is happening to you. Struggle is a privilege. अगर तुम्हारी ज़िंदगी में स्ट्रगल नहीं होगा ना, तो तुम कभी कोशिश नहीं करोगे खुद को और अपनी ज़िंदगी को बेटर बनाने की. You will stay the same, with same mindset, with same things, with same income, with same life. Your struggle teaches you the skills that you never wish to learn. And now think about it, the people who never face this kind of struggle. Because they never think that you can make a living out of something that you love to do. For them, that little bubble is the whole life. They are missing out on so much. They are missing out on the best version of themselves. And वो option तुम्हारे पास भी है. Why you want to struggle? So the reason why you are struggling is because you are chasing something that belongs to you, something bigger, something meaningful.